Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make and share Spotify Blend playlist with friends. So first you just have to simply open and launch your Spotify application. Make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now what you're going to do here is you have to log in using your account and then tap this search icon. Once you tap this search icon right here, what you're going to do next is you have to search Blend. Now you will see different results right here, but what you're going to do is you have to click the blend below has its genre, something like that. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, this one, tap this one right here. Now, once you tap this, you will see this made for you, made for us. What you're going to do is you have to scroll down till you see this create a blend right here. So you have to tap this create a blend. And once you tap this, you will see this invite friends to blend. And what you're going to do is you just have to simply invite them. You can invite them through different platforms such as Telegram, Messenger. So you just have to simply send this Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, and they need to accept this one. So basically, that's how easy it is to make and share Spotify Blend playlist with friends. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.